It is time for your science activity. So what you have to do in this activity? You have to grow your own bread mold. In order to grow your own bread mold, all you need is 3 slices of bread, water, marker and 3 resealable plastic bags, or you can use the Ziploc bag. Instructions will be: place a slice of bread in each bag and seal it properly. Number each bag with the marker. Add some water to number 1 bag and put it in a dark place. Put the second bag in a sunny place and put the third bag in the refrigerator. Check each bag for a week and record the changes you see. At the end of the week, each bag will have a different kinds of mold. So, at the end of the week, each bag will have a different kind of mold growth. So, observe that. And explanation is, bread is a good food source for some kind of fungus. As we know, the air around us is full of microscopic mold spores that require right condition to settle on organic substances and digest it. Our second activity will be decomposer's activity. So what you have to do? You have to take a paper plate with food and a Ziploc bag, a strip of heavy duty tape, or you can use any duct tape or sellotape, a label, a cup of water. So what you have to do? Put the paper plate along with the food inside the Ziploc bag and also add few drops of water. Then seal it properly with a duct tape, or if you have a Ziploc bag, then you don't need a duct tape. Alright, so after few weeks, observe the result and write your observation in A4 sheet and keep that with you. Have fun while doing these activities, but don't forget to revise all the chapters along with the question answer. So you have to perform these 2 activities. Along with that, you have to revise all the chapters that we have already covered. Alright students, enjoy your summer vacation.